Welcome in to the Hungry Pauper. Hey guys, welcome into the Hungry Pauper. I am the Hungry Pauper. Nice to see you. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to make pea salad, so that's good. That is good. What I did was, I dumped this bag of peas in this bowl and I filled it with warm water and stuck it in the mic for a couple of minutes. And we don't want them mushy either, so they're in there and they're cold. So what I'm going to do is I'll drain those, and I've got some bacon to go in the pea salad, and I've got some cheese to go in there, and we're going to put mayonnaise in there too, with some make a little dressing to go in there. And I've got these sugar snap peas. Now I like to take that stringy thing off there. So you see this part right here? I like to kind of cut in there and then peel that old stringy thing off of there. That's a lot nicer to eat if you peel off that stringy thing. There's that. Now you don't have to. It's if you're making it, it's up to you. It's your deal. But I just see how that stringy thing comes off there, and it's just much more pleasant. I'll do all of these. We don't need a whole boatload of them in pea salad. That's why I called it Gussied Up Pea Salad, because we got these sugar snap peas to go in there too. I've never done that before, but as much as I like sugar snap peas and pea salad, let's just put some snap peas in there. That's probably enough for that for right now. So there's that. I cooked the bacon like last week or so. Strain these peas. So there's the peas. So here's the bacon that I did. And there's 3. It's pretty thick bacon, but that's okay. We'll do that. So let's cut this into salad size bites. Warm that up in the mic just a little bit here. Kind of give it a stir here every now and again to kind of get it so it's not quite so wimpy. And I don't know how many sugar snap peas we want in there. Let's just put that many in there for now. And we need us an onion. Now let's put that in. They don't have to be perfect, pretty cubes. I'm just going to cut it up so it'll go in that salad. And I know that cheese can be hard to cut. So if you want to just do grated cheese, in the package, I'm not going to hold it against you, darling. I am not going to think poorly of you if you put grated cheese in your pea salad. I am not going to think that way. So, however you want to do it is fine. I happen to have, and I bought this chunk of cheese a while back because I knew in the back of my mind I was going to make this pea salad. So we'll just cut it like so. Let's do that. This is a great $4 I spent at the farm store. This has been pretty darn handy. Crispied up our bacon just a smidge. Let's put it in there with the cheese. Smells pretty good, I'll tell you that. So, we got onions and peas and sugar snap peas in there too. So let's see how that's doing, guys. See how that's doing. Now that is, I'm telling you, this is some pretty good victuals. This makes an excellent side dish, especially for this time of year. And like I said before, I love sugar snap peas, and I love cheese, and I love sweet onions. I love bacon. What's not to love here? What is there not to enjoy about this salad? So get in there. I'm trying to jump out of there, one getting away. So there's that. Stir it up good. And we are going to do approximately, you know me, I don't measure unless I have to. So we're going to do about yay much sour cream. We got some mayo, and do about that much mayo. That'll probably do us. If we need to add to it, we can add to it. So I think that's kind of tight. I think we need us a little we need a little bit of something in there to thin that out, just a little bit here. Just a little bit, just a skosh of vinegar. Let's dump this over. So that was approximately 50% sour cream, 50% mayonnaise, just like I did on that other recent salad. It works just fine. So there's that, and let's see about mixing this all up. And this is another one, you need to let it sit a while to let all these flavors mingle. Yep, just let it all mingle. And here we go. Whoop, we got one that was getting away. Let's put him in the pool too. Put him in the pool too. So this is fancy pea salad. At least my take on fancy pea salad. I love pea salad. You realize this is the starch. Peas are starch, but it's not going to kill you, guys. It's not going to be the worst thing you ever ate. There's that. And have a little taste of that. That's really good. That's good. That is good. It just needs to go in the fridge for a while and get it chilled back down. This here fancy pea salad. Guys, I haven't had pea salad for years. I love it. You want to have it as a starch in your meal? You can. There it is.